guys, I'm gonna go to Sahaba's house and I'm gonna get some food to them. Our New Year's party food. And Mom microwaved it so it doesn't go very cold. And the Shanghais are not crunchy anymore. It's so sad. Now we're almost to Sahaba's house. And we're gonna stay there for 30 minutes, I think, because my mom said so.
Come on, guys.
So let's go, guys.
Okay, let's go.
Let's
Go na. Look at mommy.
So guys, we're almost there. And I'm gonna stay there at the husband's house for only for 30 minutes, which is super exciting. So here, guys. And hi, guys! Hi, guys! Today, in my house with the Maxine with because and we have a lot of guests, so.
Yeah, you have a lot of visitors?
Yes! Yes!
Okay.
Yes!
Mahulog ka.
Yun, depende sa ano. Sa ano? Oo, depende sa ingredients.
Hi, guys! Hi, guys! I thought we were gonna take a picture.
Yeah, wait lang.
I'm thirsty. Can I have some water, please?
Okay,
Me too. I was saying. I'm saying I need water. That very bottle showing up. You have to.
So we're here at my house right now, and you can see it's New Year's, like the day, like after New Year's Eve. So we're gonna. I'm with my cousin and other guests too. Yeah, we're eating right now.
How's your, New Year? New
It
Year's
was
Eve?
good, guys.
It's not fair. Look at Ellie.
Ellie is laughing, that's why.
Yeah, Ellie is coughing, and Dad has to stay here to be with Ellie. And Ellie was sick, so. And she has to use the puffer. Yeah, I have puffer.
Yeah, I heard. How about her hands, like the door?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
have puffer.
She ate
and
her
after
hand.
that,
The door.
have
Nasa may kukoto.
because I just have like some days.
Away to man, akinat. Baaw, okay, here's the baaw.
Baaw.
Can you get, baaw na lang?
Like. I have cake. Not. It's like this. Ate. I have to.
What you eating? Chicken. Ang baaw. Like that?
No, like this.
Kunin mo.
Hi guys. Hi. Hi guys.
Ganda, ganda na laga ni Madam Baba.
What's the inside? Chocolate.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Awesome.
Hi guys.
Cake ka na.
And guys, so let's eat cake now.
Nagusin ko tong kape. Sayang.
So I'm gonna draw a something. So you're gonna yeah, we're gonna show. So I'm gonna draw a face, obviously.
Yeah.
Trust the process, guys. Trust the process. Trust the process.
Okay, I'm gonna wipe it.
Then the eyes.
Very nice. What's that?
So I was drawing yeah, my sister Sahaba.
Oh, kasama.
It's a fake,
Yeah,
alright guys.
nice.
Thank you. Bye guys, please like and subscribe to our videos. It's really helpful. And please comment down below what you think. Bye guys. Love you. See you in our next video. Happy New Year.
Guys, please like and subscribe.
Babaeng lalaki, anak.
Happy New Year. Happy Christmas. Dusty. It's from the YouTube. What? Okay, kiss Dusty. To say that. Dusty.
Kiss Adam.
In the wood. No! Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. So we're going home now. And it's very cold outside. And I'm asking Mom to buy me earrings. Because my ears are so cold too.